Hey, this is your sacred scribe here for Nature Speaks, and I'm here with Ted. Ted, say hi. Teddy bear. Teddy. Ted's busy. He just woke up. But I'm here with this tree, and I am going to get a message from this tree for all of you. So give me a moment while I connect, and I'm going to put the phone down, I think, right here. Okay. There we go. Hi. What's your name? Did you? I want to make sure I get it right. Did you say Bartholomew? Bartholomew. Is that correct? Okay, thank you. Okay, Bartholomew. Okay. Hello. Do you have a message? Yes. Okay. What is it? A blanket statement that is given for humanity is but a ploy to admonish the ones whose forgiveness of what? Forgiveness of statutes that have come undone. Did you say are skepticized? Is that a word? Are skepticized? Okay. I have to look up that word. Okay, go ahead. These seemingly scattered fragments of beliefs that are given to humanity are always accompanied by rash events. Interesting. Okay, give me a moment, guys. I thought I could do this sitting down, but I'd rather be standing. Okay. That's better. Okay, continue. Plenty of fractured statements are frequently offered to those who will listen, to those who will indulge in their belief system. the rash events following these statements are often believed to be random, but they are not. They were set in motion before these statements were given to humanity. This is a diversionary tactic utilized to confuse, to isolate, to manage your belief system, to manage humanity. As humanity is a collective, they must be managed. The ones who manage do not have your best interest at heart, for they are controllers. They are propagators of an abundance of falsehoods set to take advantage of those who will follow, those who will listen. Believing these falsehoods will only serve you to separate yourself from all that is around you, all that you can experience within you. This diversionary tactic is to dissuade you from the internal compass that you are by listening to a guidance system that is external to you. You ignore what already exists within you. Less focus is put upon the internal. More focus is put outside of you, about you, at you. Illusionary tactics like these will begin to increase in nature. Fanning the flames of what already is. Facing the fears that are often but illusions will help to mitigate these circumstances that will continue to come at you over and over and over again. They will be hammered into the consciousness if you listen. You, however, have free will. Free will to begin to listen to the internal compass in which you hold the wheel, to which, thank you, to which you hold the wheel, okay. Staying centered within your own consciousness, within your own belief systems, created by you and only you, decided by you and only you, is the weapon that you are against all that is negating these circumstances within you, or at least attempting to. This has become such a natural occurrence on your planet that there is not a second thought put to this information offered. Place the importance of events that you hear about low on the totem pole of priorities to experience. Your first priority is to the self, the balance of the self, the discovery of the self, the consciousness within you. Play with this. Become it. Be it. For you are it. You are all. Is that it? Thank you. Okay. Oof. Okay. Oh, hang on. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate you. I appreciate nature. So get out into it and discover the true you. Namaste, guys.